what questions do you ask your team? How do you get to know them in a way that enables you to know that?
Yeah, I guess the difficulty is that I don't necessarily ask them questions. By just being open and chatting about my experiences, that opens up the conversation and that creates a space where anything goes. It's such a safe space that if something's bothering them, nothing is off the table. And by sort of me being that in that way, it enables them to also be in that way. And then they open up on such a deeper level. You know, it's all well and good knowing if they live in sort of this area and they have a dog or they have kids, or they have friends or family. You know, for me, that's almost superficial information, as much as it's really interesting and I love to know them in that way. Getting to know them on a deeper level, it's all about, as a leader and for, you know, from a HR perspective, it's being open yourself and sharing your experience. But I think what's really important is when they then start sharing that back and how you react to that, because you don't need to go into rescue mode. You don't go into solutions focused. You sit and listen, which anybody who knows me is really hard for me to do. But just be grateful that you've created a space for that somebody feels that they can do that. But it's also not taking it all upon yourself as well and be at home sort of overthinking, should I have said this? Should I have done that? You know, are they okay, etc. You know, because our brains are fantastic organs, but there's only so much room in there. And there's a reason why they say put on your own oxygen mask before you put on your kids when you're on an aeroplane, because if you're empty, you can't give either.